Max, do you want to open the presents? Oh, look at that. Here, let's open this one. Here, let's take this off so it's a little easier. Okay, Max, can you rip? Yeah! Take the paper off. No, don't give up. Wait, look at. Oh, look at this. What could it be? Ooh, what's that? A baby? Oh, look at that! Pretty cool. Can you say thank you, Stacy? Can you say thank you, Trevor? Can you say thank you, Trevor? That sounds like tissue, Zsa-Zsa. Can you say tissue, Zsa-Zsa? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Well, I think this is going to be a hit. Right, Max? Busy. All right. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Trevor and Stacy.